How to download Firebase Studio project. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Firebase Studio project. So first of all, just simply open your Chrome browser, and over here on the search bar just simply search for Firebase Studio project, and in order to download that you need to follow these simple steps. So there are two primary methods to download a Firebase Studio project. In the first one, you need to download the zip file from the Explorer pane and and then just simply open your Firebase Studio project and navigate to the Explorer pane, usually on the left side, displaying on your project file and directories. And just simply right click on the root directory of your project, and then just simply select the zip and download option from the context menu. The project file will be compressed into a zip file and downloaded on your browser default download location. Then after that, publishing it to GitHub or any closing downloading website and any cloning website, downloading website that you want to use. Just simply complete your project in Firebase Studio and switch from the prototyper view to the editor view, and click on the cloud icon at the bottom of the editor to initiate the publishing process to GitHub, and authorize Firebase Studio with your GitHub account if you haven't already. Then just simply sync your project with GitHub and choose to publish it as a private or public repository as per your liking. Once published, you can then clone the repository using Git or download it as zip file directly from GitHub. So that's how you will be able to download Firebase Studio project. I hope you find this video to be helpful.